Welcome, guys. This is my channel. I am going to start from scratch with a change of jobs. I've now got more time to set up and post content and videos. So, a little bit about myself. I obviously went to college, I studied electronic and electrical engineering. That went on to do computing. From that, I got a job with IBM, where pretty much I learned what I'm doing now. I spent 6 years with IBM, and from there I got headhunted by a company called Blue Chip Engineering in the UK. I spent 20 years with that company, which was a fantastic company, probably one of the best companies out there for IT. Sadly, the owner passed away, but he had in it that he planned to sell the company, which he did. The company then got acquired by a company in the US called Service Express. Um, Sadly, new management came in, and a lot of people were not part of the plans, including myself. I was one of the engineers. So I got made redundant on the 4th of August this year. We won't go into that. A lot of people were not happy. Took some time out from that, then started looking for another job, and I am now working as a senior IT tech for BlackRock. So I'm now working remote and loving it, absolutely loving it. The difference between the two companies, night and day. I just it's so hard to explain, but on the other hand, you can see it in my face. It's so glad to be out of that old company and now in a new company that actually really respects you and what you actually do for them. So on that, I am now focusing on videos for YouTube that will be starting from ground up. So basically everything from camera, PC, everything from scratch. How to start 1 year from basically now or tomorrow when I potentially post this video. Everything will be raw at the moment until I get used to obviously all the editing software. But as I work in IT, I'm very fast at picking things up. And that's pretty much it. So I can give you a quick look. Let me just quickly turn on the little quickly Logitech. So this is the 5950X, the 3090, all water cooled. Waiting on some parts still to arrive, some cables. I've still to install the RGB hub. That's why the RGB is not working on the graphics card. This is my Samsung monitor, and just to the left of that is my, let me just minimize it because I've got some stuff on it, my vertical monitor. Over there is the wife's NUC printer, two laptops for work, my little Dalmatian dog who's sleeping. This back wall will be um, is going to be the centerpiece. So I'm looking at that at the moment. I'm going to try and either do it brick or wood. Um, let's turn back on the other camera. So that's it, guys. Though this channel will basically be from starting 1 year all the way up to next year. From that, I'll show you everything that I do, how to set everything up, basically from scratch. It's as simple as that. If you've got anything to add, stick it in the comments below. So from that, we will get cracking. So this is a raw video. I won't do any editing on this. It will be basically from the camera onto Adobe, encoded onto YouTube, um, and from there, fingers crossed, over the year, we've got a fantastic studio, and the videos will basically be from day one, which will be rubbish, all the way through to the end of the year, which will be edited and studio quality. So looking forward to doing the videos, guys. By all means, ask me any questions in the comments or get in touch, and we will see you soon. All right, guys. I will speak to you later. Bye bye. Oh, forgot. I have ordered some sound gear, so everything's coming through. The audio is through the Bose headset, so the audio is a bit rubbish at the moment. But once I get all that done, we'll do videos on it, and you can hear the difference between video one and obviously the later videos as we go along. So any recommendations on what I need, I will look at and see if I need it. So by all means, comment below, let me know what you think, and we can go from there. If I do talk too fast, again, let me know. Sometimes I do have to slow my speech down due to me being Scottish. Um, some people do not understand me. It's just my accent. So if you can, great. If you can't, let me know and I'll slow it down even more. Alright guys, have a good day and we will see you in the next one. Cheers now. Bye bye.